Hello and welcome back to the Excel Enthusiasts. I am so excited for you to rejoin us on our Microsoft Minis as we dive into Microsoft Excel and kind of really show you the basics to get you started. We are also celebrating our digitized summer sessions today, so thank you again for joining us. We've got loads of Microsoft sessions that are happening this week, next week and the week after that as well, so please do keep joining us on these sessions. I know that I am going to have a great time today showing you how to use the fill handle, and I'm going to make your lives just a lot easier, and it might even help you with some of your homework as well. So let's jump straight in there. I will see you out on the big screen. Okay, so here we are on our Excel Enthusiast Excel workbook. So I'm going to show you how to use the fill handle today. So when I click anywhere in any cell, you will notice that I get this little kind of green box there that appears. So I'm going to zoom in just to show you what that looks like. Okay, fantastic. So there we have our green box that appears in the corner of the cell that we're working in. So if I click on this green box and I drag down, there we go. It's going to copy and it's going to duplicate whatever is in that cell. But Microsoft Excel is really clever. So if you have a number in there and it thinks that you're wanting to create a sequence, then it will just do it all for you. It does all the work for you. It's amazing. So it's taken ticket number 1001 and it's applied kind of the next number that it thinks it's going to be. So ticket number, the next one up would be 1002. Amazing. It also works for dates as well. Now, it's important to know if you are using the Office 365 version that it will be in American style, where it is month, day, then year. So you just need to know that. So here I've got the 12th of December, and I'm just going to pull my fill handle all the way down here, and look, it puts in the dates for me there. And it also works for the order as well. So if I'm in first, sorry, but you can see Bill Jones here is first. If I pull this fill handle down, it's going to then fill that all in for me, and we can see that Abdul is in fourth place there. Now, what's also really cool is that I can highlight multiple cells, and then similar to when we did Scotland and it copied one cell, we can do that for multiple cells. So Bill, Tara, Jenny and Abdul, I'm going to pull the fill handle down all the way down to the bottom, and there we go, it duplicates those four. So it takes those four and it copies it down below. So there it goes, Bill, Tara, Jenny, Abdul, Bill, Tara, Jenny, Abdul, Bill, Tara, and just because we stopped out within the four. So that is the fill tool, sheet one. I've got lots of other things to show you. So have you ever been given a bit of work by your teacher? Now I remember, because I'm a teacher, and I remember giving this to my class and saying, here is your multiplication square, I want you to fill it all in. Well, we can make one just like this, okay? So the one that your teacher gives you might look something a little bit like this, okay? Just empty, and it has the numbers on the outside of your multiplication square. So we can start filling it in. We could do 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, all the way out. That's going to take me forever to 15. So we could do 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 3 is 6. Oh, it's going to take me forever to get to the end there. Well, I'm gonna show you a secret, okay? What we could do is highlight all those numbers there. Microsoft Excel is going to know that we're making a sequence, and I can grab that fill handle and pull it all the way down to the bottom. And then I could do the same for over here as well, but I've already got these ones that are in sequence already. So why don't I just grab all of these 9 and pull them over to the edge. Fantastic. And then I've got all of these numbers here. Why don't I just pull all of these ones down? And there we have it. We have our multiplication square created fully in Excel, and I didn't have to do the work. This is a game changer. It's going to make your lives so much easier. So I've got a little bit of a task for you today, and it's over on sheet 3. So you've seen me using the fill handle. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here for you. You've seen me using the fill handle. Now it is your turn. Your task today is to create a calendar, okay? So you could make it like me, where I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's type in Monday, and I could pull out my fill handle there, and it's going to guess that it's Tuesday next. And then we could do that all the way out to the end to Sunday. And then just like me up at the top, I could do the first, second, then I could pull over to the edge to get all the way up to 7th. But if I do that and pull down, that doesn't work. So your challenge today is to create a calendar using the fill handle, okay? Now if you want to do it in hard mode, that's fine. I won't tell you the answer. If you want a little bit of help, then I'll show you just now. Here's your hint. You might want to type in the next number there, okay? And then you can drag down, okay? So if you want to do it in hard mode, don't listen to that. If you're wanting a little bit of help, why don't you type in the next number, okay? So that is your job. Well, let's just hide this. So those that are doing it on hard mode don't know. That is your job for today. Now again, if you find that really easy, why don't you make your calendar start on the Tuesday? I wonder if you could get your calendar to work when you start on the Tuesday. Okay, so that's your task for today, is to create a calendar. I think you will all manage this. I think that you will find this super easy using the fill handle. But yeah, you've got 10 minutes to do that now. On you go. Incredible. Well done, everyone. Your calendars look fantastic. I am really impressed by all the people that made that little bit harder for themselves and didn't listen to my hint that I gave away there. Yeah, so well done, everyone. Fantastic work. I wonder if anybody was able to start on a different day instead of Monday. I wonder how you got on there. Let me know. And yes, I hope that you have enjoyed today's session. We have loads of Microsoft sessions going out for our summer sessions. So over the next 3 weeks or so, we've got loads and loads of Microsoft sessions. You need to keep an eye out for the Microsoft Minis. You're going to need to keep an eye out for the Microsoft Main Stage as well, where you're going to make your own music festival. I'm really excited for that one. I think you will be too. So thank you again for joining us, you Excel enthusiasts. I will see you on tomorrow's video. Have a great day. I'll see you then.